say something.
We have to record it together.
Just say something.
Say what?
Your message.
Hi.
Oh, just.
He's fat.
That's so mean.
Melvin! Okay, he's not fat, he's obese.
It's cute.
No.
Say something.
Say something. Say. Yeah, I thought of it.
Hmm?
What can I say? I hate you!
Who?
I can't say his name.
Oh, okay.
If you know who I'm talking about, go die! Oh!